This is the XVX H61 and I'm gonna test it with 5 different switches. Yeah, that's it. The reason why I chose the H61 to do this little activity is because, I don't know. But what I do know is that this keyboard is sent to me by XVX and they don't have a set in this video. Oh, yippee! Okay, let's talk about the keyboard before we move on to the 5 switches. Like I mentioned before, this is the XVX H61 coming in at a whopping $35.99. The H61 carries 2 colorways, black and white, and use the same switch. Now, normally we would be doing an ASMR unboxing right now, but today is not normal.
My dog's destroyed the whole box.
So this is the experience we're gonna get today. After that lovely unboxing, we have manual, extra switches and keycaps, a separate strap. Okay, being different. Yep, braided cable that are in half. Lovely, when we have a braided cable, the dog gotta chew it. And lastly is the keyboard, which I have the black colorways. Right off the bat, we can tell that this is a 60% keyboard. On the topic of keys, what the hell is that keycap? I'm sorry XVX, but you just went from cool design to whatever that is. And it is not looking good. For $36, you would thought that this is a plastic keyboard, but no, XVX just slapped you in the face because this is an aluminum keyboard with a matte finish. Oh hell yeah! Speaking of the case, I have to say this keyboard suspiciously looked like a non-popular keyboard, the Wu-Tang 60. From the straps, which consume a lot of brain cells to put in, bruh, how do you do this? To the case design. They seem to share the same DNA. Now for $36, you only get 1 mode, which might be a deal breaker for some people, but for me, I don't even use the keyboard, so I don't even care. Move on to the back, which we have nothing. That's okay, that's okay. We're just gonna move on to the sound test now. That was okay, nothing special, nothing bad, so I'll give it a lovely 7. Now let's check out all the factors that give this keyboard a 7. First is the crusty keycap, which is a double shot cherry profile one. Underneath all of that is the switches, which have a very strange name, the creamy medium purple switches. What do you mean by creamy medium? Is there a creamy max? The website said that they are pre-lubed, but I wouldn't know that because I didn't open them. But based off how they perform, I'd say they are slightly pre-lubed because I can still hear some scratches and the spring do ping a little bit. So as always, I recommend you to lube your switches hand lube. While I take out the keycap, I discover a sad reality. This board is tray mounted, but the screws are not hard to unscrew at all. However, it doesn't cover the fact that the keyboard is not gonna sound or feel the same across the whole board. Damn it, all because of you, tray mount. Okay, let's chill down. We have an aluminum plate, like foam, IXPE foam, PCB, that still have dirt because of certain species. Again with the spring, what is the purpose of this? In XVX website, they did list and show that this is a north-facing PCB. However, what I have here is the south-facing one. So either they give me the wrong keyboard or someone give us the wrong information here. That's really suspicious, but come back to the keyboard, we also have foam case which are very soft, and I like that. Lastly is the case with a daughter board. Now that we're done with the keyboard, we're gonna move on to the part that you guys are all waiting for. I hope you are, cause then it would be weird. I'm not gonna mod the keyboard. That is totally not because I'm lazy, it's because, yeah, I'm lazy. Sue me! The 4 other switches that I'm gonna implant into the H61 are the Gatron Hippo, Epo Maker Zebra, Cosfox Summer Lime, and Azaz Banana. If you're an expert, you'd find out that I purposely choose 3 different sound profiles and a tactile, which are thought, clack, silent, and a tactile. I just want to see how a $36 can handle variability. That is not how you say it, isn't it? But let's go! Okay, not bad. Nothing really stand out to me, but if I were kidnapped and forced to rank them, I would say Hippo, Summer Lime, Zebra, and Banana. Overall, I think this board is a bit meh. I mean, we really have to stare at the price here. It's only $36. The stock sounding wasn't bad. It was just the keycap that are very 2018 and need to be replaced ASAP. The specs are basic except the south-facing mystery. But if you want to purchase them and do some weird modes with it, check the link in my description. Thank you XVX, and that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.